Alright, we're live. You hear Eric in the background.
So setting up the break. Moving on. I got this film. This next film is
Fucker's loud, isn't he? Got 10 spots, 5 winners. Good luck. Six times. 10 p.m. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jordan, Christopher, Doug, Chris, D. Top 5. Place is 6. 10 p.m. Good luck. Got Christopher Allen, William Kiss, Kevin S, Chris P, and Chris P.
What's up, Ken Black? Yeah, brother. It's been hard, man. I've been ripping around. Breaking and sending.
As you can hear him in the background, it has been busy. Congrats to the winners.